Welcome to Habit of Culture, where we explore habits that elevate your life. In today's video, we'll uncover how AI tools can revolutionize your daily routine, from boosting productivity to unlocking your creative potential. These tools aren't just for tech enthusiasts, they're for everyone. Let's dive into the fascinating world of AI and learn how to leverage it effectively. First, let's talk about AI-powered writing tools. These game changers, such as ChatGPT, Grammarly, and Jasper, help with everything from drafting emails to polishing essays and crafting social media posts. ChatGPT is perfect for writers facing creative blocks. Grammarly ensures error-free writing, and Jasper tailors to marketers. When it comes to organizing tasks, AI task management tools like Google Calendar, Motion, and Notion take productivity to the next level. Google Calendar automatically suggests meeting times and reminders based on your schedule. Motion prioritizes daily tasks and adjusts your schedule in real time. And Notion leverages AI to create dynamic workflows for team collaboration or personal organization. Lastly, we have AI art tools like DALL, Canva AI, and Runway ML that can unlock your artistic potential by transforming text prompts into stunning visuals or enhancing existing designs. DALL can generate unique art pieces or design concepts from simple text prompts. Canva AI simplifies design creation with AI-powered templates. And Runway ML offers AI tools for editing and enhancing visual content. Whether you are a writer, a professional, a marketer, or an artist, AI tools can truly elevate your daily routine. And remember, you don't have to be a tech expert to use these tools effectively. So go ahead and explore the world of AI and see how it can enhance your life in unimaginable ways. Are you ready to take your language learning to the next level? With AI tools like Duolingo, AI, and LingQ, the process becomes not only engaging but also highly efficient. Duolingo AI personalizes your learning experience by adapting to your progress, ensuring you get the right level of challenge at all times. On the other hand, LingQ immerses you in real-world content, from podcasts to books, with AI-driven translations and vocabulary building. By dedicating just 15-20 minutes daily to these apps, you'll notice a significant improvement in just a few weeks. When it comes to health and fitness, AI-powered apps like MyFitnessPal, Fitbit, and Lumen can help you stay on track. MyFitnessPal tracks your meals and provides insights into your nutritional habits, while Fitbit offers personalized fitness recommendations based on your activity data. Lumen takes it a step further by analyzing your metabolism to suggest personalized meal plans and workouts. For a more comprehensive health overview, consider syncing these apps with wearable devices. Looking to make the most of your time? AI tools like Rescue Time and Toggle Track can help. Rescue Time analyzes your screen time to identify distractions and boost focus, while Toggle Track tracks time spent on tasks to improve efficiency and balance. By regularly reviewing reports generated by these tools, you can make small tweaks to your habits and maximize your productivity. For those who are into research and learning, AI tools like Perplexity AI and Scholasty are changing the game. Perplexity.ai combines web search and AI insights for in-depth research, while Scholasty summarizes academic papers, saving hours for students and professionals. Just remember to use these tools to process complex information faster, while always verifying sources for accuracy. And if you're a content creator, AI tools like Descript and Podcast will make video and audio editing effortless. Descript allows you to edit audio and video using text commands, making post-production faster, while Podcastle enhances podcast recordings with AI noise reduction and voice adjustments. These tools are perfect for those looking to save time while maintaining quality. In conclusion, AI tools have endless applications in our lives, from productivity to creativity. By integrating even one or two tools into your daily routine, you'll notice a significant boost in efficiency and output. So take the leap, start exploring AI today, and transform your daily life.